This has happened to me before, and that is why I brought it to your knowledge. I brought it to your face that it may not happen to you whenever you see ISAM in large quantity. I once went to market and found ISAM Periwinkle where it's being sold for a cheap price. I couldn't buy in large quantity because I don't know how to store them. I always know ISAM to be a thing of one time. You buy the one you are using at that moment. But I said to give it a try and it worked for me. One day I jammed ISAM sellers selling it at a very cheap price because of the market I actually went. Okay, so I had to buy it in large quantity. Came back and wash with salt. I properly wash them with salt, and please, when you are washing it, you can see this first water is dirty. When you are trying to store your ISAM, always add salt to the water you are using. This will not only help to retain the freshness, it also help to retain the taste, and also help to remove any form of sand or ISAM shell left in it. Okay, as you can see, there are some shells that settled below, so you have to properly wash 2 to 3 times till you are convinced that this is actually very clean. Okay, after I had washed my ISAM the second time, I allowed the water to sieve off the ISAM before proceeding to tie them in a nylon or ziploc. Guys, when you want to store your ISAM, I suggest you tie them in a way that you use once, like one time use. If you want, like you've got a paint full of ISAM or a bucket paint full of ISAM, you wash and then tie them in, maybe say for 20-time use or 10-time use. You will see how I tie them in this video. I'm just trying to emphasize on it so you don't make mistake, or maybe you don't want to watch this video to the end, of which I know you watch it to the end. So this is the third time I watched it and it came out clean. I'm convinced now that my ISAM is clean enough to store. I went ahead to store them, as you can see, guys. So please wash your ISAM, allow it to drain, and then tie it. This is what I was talking about. Tie it in this way. This way I will just bring it out from the freezer and go ahead to put it directly into the pot of food. Please do not defrost your ISAM before putting it in the food you are trying to make. This is me trying to fix them in my freezer, so you can also put in your freezer and allow it to get frozen. Okay, bring it out and fix directly into your pot of soup. Please do not defrost before putting them into the soup. This is my soup, is ready, and my ISAM came out very fresh. Will you be trying this? Please tell me in the comment section. Thank